Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we're bringing the world to your table with an American-style pizza recipe that uses all the delicious veggies.
Yes, that's right, Lauren. Today we are making a farmer's market pizza with roasted garlic chicken sausage, and I'm so excited.
I am too. I don't know about you, but whenever I order pizza at a restaurant, it's all the veggies.
Always.
As many veggies as possible, and that's exactly what we're doing today, along with chicken sausage, like you mentioned. So today we're using alfresco chicken sausage, which we love. It's nice because it's pre-cooked.
Yeah, so it's super easy.
Yes, so all we have done already is we just browned our chicken sausage and then sliced it up. So you can do this in a pan, or you can do it on the grill.
Yeah, take advantage of that nice weather and start grilling.
Yes, for sure. So our next step is we're gonna start cooking our veggies. So we're gonna saute them in a pan. I have my pan on here, so I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil and then some garlic, minced garlic. And then the veggies that we're using today, we're using quite a variety, but what I love about this recipe is that you can really use whatever you have on hand, or just really whatever your favorites are.
Definitely.
So we're adding in some eggplant. And then we've got mushrooms. And then we're putting in a little bit of red onion.
So we're cooking all of those veggies that take a little longer to cook first, and then we'll add the rest of them. So if you do decide to kind of mix and match your veggies, just keep that in mind.
Yes, so we're sauteing them, but other options for cooking, you could definitely grill them in like a grill pan would be delicious. We love doing that in the warmer weather months. Or you could roast them in the oven too, would be an easy option. So just kind of letting this go, just want to let those mushrooms kind of cook down just a little bit. So I'm going to add in our other veggies next. So we've got some cherry tomatoes that have just been sliced, spinach, and then broccoli, which I personally love broccoli on pizza.
Yeah, especially after
So
it bakes
good.
and it gets nice and like roasted.
Yes.
Delicious. And this looks like a lot of stuff, but it will cook down, so no worries there.
Yes.
So while Lauren is working on that, I'm going to get going on, I guess it's like our sauce for this pizza. It's not a traditional like tomato sauce, but we're using ricotta cheese and then some pesto.
So when we originally tested this recipe, we just did ricotta cheese, and we kind of felt like it needed a little bit of something.
Yeah, it's definitely missing something.
Yeah, so the pesto is just going to add a little bit more flavor to the ricotta. If you're not a fan of ricotta, you could definitely leave the ricotta out and just do pesto. That would be delicious.
Yeah.
Or you could just do the ricotta if you do like more of just that ricotta flavor. So I'm actually, with the veggies here, I'm going to put in a little bit of salt, just to help bring out some of those natural flavors, and I know Jenny needs it next too.
All right, so I'm just going to spread the ricotta pesto mixture on our crust. It's a pre-baked crust. You can use whatever your favorite crust is. We have a nice thin one today, so that makes this pizza really great for grilling too.
Yeah, but you could use pizza dough, like from our bakery department, if you're a fan of that.
Yeah, just bake it off first.
Yep, and this is, like you said, a super thin, it's a wheat crust, which you can just find in like the pizza aisle in the grocery area.
All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, pepper, and just a little bit of oregano. And then top it with some shredded Romano cheese, which you can find in the deli cheese island.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna add our, I'm gonna add our sausage in just to warm it up a little bit. It's already been brown, but I'm just adding it back in here. Just mixing it with our veggies because we'll be putting this on our pizza.
All right.
Are you ready for me?
Yes.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
So these veggies look really good. As you can see, they really have cooked down. And everything looks delicious.
Delicious.
This roasted garlic flavor is really going to pair nicely with all the other flavors we have going on here. Because al fresco does make several different flavors, which I love. Try to keep this on the actual pizza here.
Oh, it smells so good.
Just leaving this out here in a second. Yum. Look at all those veggies.
Yeah. So I think my favorite vegetable on this is actually the eggplant. I'm not sure I've ever had eggplant on pizza before.
Oh, yeah. And eggplant roasted or sauteed is amazing.
Yeah, so it's not really bitter like you might think. It brings out a lot of that natural like sweetness in the eggplant. So I'm just gonna finish it off with a little bit of mozzarella cheese and then go ahead and get this in the oven. It will bake for about 10 minutes.
Yep, 8
until
to 10 minutes.
Nice and bubbly.
So we have talked a little bit about grilling. You could also grill this pizza. Again, you just put it on the grill for 8 to 10 minutes or so, just until that cheese melts. But you would get some nice charring on the crust, which would be absolutely delicious.
So we have one that's already been baked. Should we dive on in?
Yes, I want one with some broccoli on it. Ooh, and there's some sausage here too.
The pesto is so good.
It's a really, really great addition.
Yes.
Yum. Well, we hope you give this veggie-filled pizza recipe a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.